Bende ogolo kod jatatije mar duol no migosi Anthony Americo kinde ma bende ne giriwore kod duol mar Retirement Benefits Authority mar puonjo oganda wi solro mano mar Nssf e boma ma Kisumu odiochieng' ma kawuono. Bende oyango ni gin kod chenro manyalo biro konyo oganda matiyo tijegi giwegi e chudo margi e yo mapile ka pile, kama ng'ato nyalo chulo shillings 25 e odiochieng' ka odiochieng' kokalo e yor simu.
Of importance is for the importance for them to look at their statements so that they can know whether their employers are remitting their contributions that is being deducted from their payslip. Secondly is to implore upon them and encourage them to do voluntary contribution. As well as you know is that how you live post-retirement depends on how much you contribute. So you encourage them to do voluntary contribution as you await the verdict of the Nssf Act, which is a matter that is in court. One key highlight that we want to put out there to the public is the fact that as Nssf we have come up with a product called Haba Haba, which targets the informal sector. There's a very critical mass of people in the informal sector, over 16 million people, who are not previously covered by the traditional Nssf product. We came up with Haba Haba a year and a half ago. Haba Haba is a very unique product which targets people in business, and we rolled it out in Nakuru at the Wakulima market. Now, what is unique about Haba Haba is the fact that you can contribute 25 shillings a day, for example 5 days a week. At the end of the month you'll have 500, and at the end of the year you'll have 6,000 Kenyan shillings. If you contribute consistently for 5 years, you can take out half of your contributions and plow it back into your business. That is a unique aspect of this product. Secondly, this product you can
Kawadhi nyime ni Oganda e pacho kaendi ijiwo mondo lima pieces goeko mag duol matayo weche mag omenda ma iyudo bang' ka ng'ato osedhi e yweyo kata ka ng'ato oseritaya e yore goeko mag nono kaka chudo margi mar dwe ka dwe osebedo ka dhi nyime. Jipo ma kamaendi ogol kod jagoro mar duol mar Retirement Benefit Authority migosi Michael Kageko e kinde ma bende ne gin kod romo magalamoro mar lalruok kod oganda e weche goeko motenore kod solro mag omenda mag retirement boma ma Kisumu bende odiochieng' ma kawuono. Migosi Kageka oyango ni duol noero ni kod ting' mar neno ni oganda duto ma e pacho kaendi oritaya kata ma bende dhi ritaya oyudo chudo margi e kinde mowinjore mondo omigi thuolo mar dago ngima makare tok weyo tijegi kata tok dhi e retirement.
Basically, this is a day for people of Kisumu County to come and get information about how they can save for retirement. We have all kinds of service providers here who are offering products that people can use to save for retirement. We have Nssf, we have many pension schemes, we have service providers, we have the government pension scheme, we have the industry associations. Everybody is here. So it's a one-stop shop to get information about saving for retirement. The critical message that I really want to pass out there to the people is that saving for retirement is not for those working in companies or those working in bigger institutions or working in government. Saving for retirement is for everybody. So we have pension schemes that are here which can cater for anybody to save for retirement.
On our part, we are responsible for the payment of pensions to retired public servants cutting across the wider public service. This includes teachers, the mainstream civil service, the National Police Service, prisons officers, and officers of the National Youth Service. We are also responsible for the pension of the military, judges in our judiciary, for retired presidents, retired vice president and deputy president, and as well designated state officers and the speakers of our National Assembly and the Senate. The